Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your direct med subscription. Okay, so some of the customers is complaining like they charge like brand charge on their account and they even did not subscribe but they are charging on their account. So basically I want to tell you direct MD is a very popular and legit platform, and when you can say like when you buy or when you create account on their website, they have subscription models also. Okay, like subscription model only or paid services only, they don't provide any kind of free service. Okay, so if you don't know this thing, like if you have already taken any subscription, so how we can cancel it. Okay, so one thing you need to keep in your mind, the cancellation is very easy and you can try two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method is like you need to visit on their contact us page, like customer support page. On this page they have provided their phone number, their email address. You need to dial their phone number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. You don't need subscription, you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel. And after verification they will ask you some questions, and after verification they will cancel your subscription. And when you making request to cancel, in the end of the call please mention or please make a request like please provide a written confirmation on your email ID. Okay, and if you get email ID from their side, if you get confirmation email from their side, it means your subscription is cancelled. And if you don't get any proof like your subscription is cancelled or not, so it means your subscription is still active. So please ask proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the method. Now if the phone number is not available due to any reason, due to high demand, due to lots of customer queries, so how you can cancel it? You can also do one thing. On the same page they have also email address, and you can compose an email. In the email you need to provide your subscription details, starting date, end date, your name, email ID, each and everything you need to provide. And in the body you need to provide a reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, and once the receiver email they will provide you like your subscription is cancelled or not. They will provide you reason or they will call you. Okay, when you provide your phone number also. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the only method by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and this is the tutorial. Now please share your experience and please share your problems. I will try to give you some solutions also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.